Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how can we insert calendar and time picker within your Excel sheet. So stay tuned and watch till the end. For example, here if I want to insert any calendar, so what I will do, I need to insert developer tab. If you don't have developer tab already, then right click within this area and then go to customize the ribbon. A window will pop up. Now you can see from the options there is a developer tab. If you can't see the option eh, like developer tab, then what you do, you need to click from here and add into this section so it will appear within your ribbons. So mine is showing here, click this one, press OK, and now you can see developer tab has been added. I will go to developer tab and then you can see option add-ins. Click on this one. You can see my add-ins and store. If you don't have any add-ins already, you can search the add-ins. For example, if I want calendar, so I will search calendar and press search bar. It will give me the mini calendar and date picker. I want this one. Press add, continue, and now it will start loading the calendar within my Excel worksheet. So you will see in a minute. So you can see the calendar has been added. So when you can see this plus sign, just click and move anywhere where you want to move. It has showing different options. Let's just talk about one by one. So first option is to change its size. If I click this one, it will like resize to small, and then if I click back again, it will expand its size and make it bigger. Second option is you can change the calendar theme. Like you can see it's changing the color. So whatever color you like, you can do that. The third one is change calendar system. If I click this one, it's showing me the different system. It's using ISO calendar system. You can change it to other one as well if you want. Next option is week. If I click this one, it will start showing the week on the left hand side. You can see this column. This column has been added. If I click back again, it will remove the week column from here. Next one is the highlight range of dates. If I want to highlight any dates, so I'll enter the range here. So if I don't have any range, I will leave this option. So next one is cancel. If I hide this one, so it will hide all these settings. If I click on the settings again, it will appear all the options. So you can see it's highlighting the today date is 23rd of August, so it's been highlighted already. And Saturday, Sunday, these are the off days, so it's also been highlighted. So if, for example, if I want any date from the calendar, I click on this cell and then I will just click within the calendar and it will pick the date within my cell. Again, if I want to have date here as well, so I will just I'll keep the active cell here and then click within the calendar. It will pick the date for me. Next one is time picker. Within this calendar, there is a one option here is which is the insert current time as well. You can pick the time as well. In this column, if I want to add time as well, simply I'll just click and it will pick the time right now. Whatever the time in the clock of your computer or your laptop, so it will pick that time and it will show the time here. So again, if you want to move, you can move it. You can resize it from the corner as well, the calendar, and make it bigger or make it smaller, however you want. So this is how you can easily add in. And if you want to again remove it, go to add-ins and click this one. And then you can remove from here, remove, and it will remove the calendar for you. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.